Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is Stan here with you. Hope you're all having a great day today. Well, I've done some improvement on my rat fencing, so let's have a look. Well, for those of you who haven't watched my previous vlog where I've done some rat fencing, can check it out in the vlog here. So with the previous rat fencing, it was actually a GA sheet in a single roll. So I had to surround my car with the GA sheet, and the problem with this was that it was pretty heavy and it was very difficult to assemble and disassemble this from the vehicle, and it was a two-person job as well. So I thought, okay, why don't I give my GA sheet to my aluminum fabricator to make some aluminum frames with aluminum rods, and it would be a rectangular frame and it would be divided into 4 portions, that is one in the front and back and 2 on either sides. So this was fabricated and it was actually pretty easy. I should have done this right from the start because it was super lightweight to carry. It's very easy to assemble and disassemble, and it was just a one-man job. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. You just have to latch on the hooks so that it stays in place with the adjacent frames, and I also installed some sponges on the inner side of the aluminum frame so that it doesn't scratch the vehicle. And all in all, it is a very successful project because I think right now it prevents the rats from entering the vehicle for sure, because in the previous vlog I had the GA sheet around the vehicle for 2 weeks and no rats entered into the engine bay. So let's see if there is any rat damages on the engine bay. So one easy way to find out if there has been rats in your engine bay is you can see for its droppings or poop anywhere around this area. It seems fine. There doesn't seem to be any rat poop anywhere, so that's a good sign. Also, another indication is you can get some rat hair around this portion. There isn't any hair I can see. Definitely something has come on top of this, but it's not rat. I think it's that lizard over there maybe. So I can't see any traces of rat. So yeah, I don't think any rat got in through the rat fencing. So it definitely is a success. Now assembling and disassembling is just a one-man job, and it's super lightweight since it's just an aluminum frame. So overall I think this is a very successful job done since it prevents the rat from entering, and also it's very easy to now assemble and disassemble. So I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and if you found it useful, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already, and until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.